Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Plus Messenger and locating the conversation you want to hide. Make sure permissions are granted so the app can archive or lock chats. Next, long press the chat to reveal the action menu. You must select the correct conversation now to avoid hiding the wrong thread. Once done, choose the archive or hide option shown in the contextual menu. I explain why this first selection matters. It determines whether the chat can later be locked or recovered. Now you actually hide and secure the chat. After moving the conversation to the hidden folder, go directly to Settings then Privacy to enable a PIN or fingerprint lock. This prevents casual access. Make sure to configure a recovery method like a secondary PIN or linked account, because losing the PIN could block you out. Once the lock is active, verify the chat is invisible in your main list and appears only inside the hidden area. This two-step hide finish by testing access. Open the hidden folder and unlock it using your PIN or biometric. This proves the process worked. Next, back up your settings and record the PIN in a secure place so you can recover access later. If the chat didn't hide, try clearing the app cache, force stop and reopen Plus Messenger, or reinstall while preserving data. That typically fixes visibility glitches. If problems persist, double-check permission, settings, and repeat the hide and lock steps carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.